So we come into more catalysts or possible catalysts for AMC. We'll talk a little today about AI, guys, and specifically an AI-based momentum ETF buying up AMC shares. Now, let's forewarn everyone, this is a very small position, but we'll talk about really what it means a little bit. Let's see the article here first. This one talking about this Craft ETF, artificial intelligence-based, selling Facebook and Walmart to buy AMC. Yes, again, it is only a very small position, guys, but I mean, those are big names to get rid of to kind of add AMC to your portfolio here.
And that's why it's going to grab people's attention, and this is why we want to do the video on it, so we can break down what's exactly going on here. Now, first things first, this is an ETF with 50 million in assets under management. You can find that a little bit later on in the article there, and the size of the position is south of 20,000 shares, and when you talk about AMC having a nearly 500 million float, this is a drop in the bucket. So it's going to grab everyone's attention. That's a big call to be made, saying, yeah, we're selling something like a Facebook, selling a Walmart is our fund, and then we're putting it into AMC, which is what everybody wants to hear. But you converse that with Vanguard, the sort that we talked about, buying real amounts of, I shouldn't say real amounts, but larger amounts of shares. That's going to matter a little bit more and maybe move the price a little bit today. And that's the thing. Like, it's easy to look at a headline and think that this is going to be an actionable event here, but just keep in mind, what is the size of the fund? What do they hold? I mean, they're up 15% on the year, so the returns are okay for this, but what is the size? How many shares are they actually buying? Less than 20,000 shares will get transacted in the next couple of minutes while we're doing this video on AMC, literally.
Yeah, it's not, sometimes size matters. I don't know if it matters here because it's not the position to me that I'm most interested in. I mean, I just talked about what Neil's doing right there. This AMOM is the symbol with this Craft. And this is the thing that I'm interested in here. It tracks 50 large cap US stocks and then reweighs them each month, right? And then they use AI technology to search for patterns that have potential to produce excessive returns. So based on that, they've obviously identified something here with AMC. I mean, I just have the daily. I don't know what pattern they're looking at, but again, that's why it's their program, not mine. I just think it's an interesting thing to look at here and to consider that if they're moving out of some of those high-flying names like a Walmart, like a Home Depot, and they're also famous for calling a Tesla a bull run as well. Maybe they're seeing something now. Maybe it's decreased volume that's ticked in. I don't think they're going to give us their secret sauce, but I'm interested in it because it is a new entry. I've never even heard of these guys. 50 million under management, not that much. But the fact that they've picked AMC here means that maybe they're seeing something. So I'm interested in it. Let's re-look at this maybe in a month from now, because remember, they reweight every month. So maybe they're just hoping that there's going to be a little bit of a bump here in July. Maybe they're predicting the short squeeze comes to life. Who knows what they're looking at? But for me, I don't see it in the charts. It's a small position. But hey, something to read about, and we're always trying to educate ourselves and the viewers on potential AMC news, and this is just another piece, Brendan.
Yeah, that's the interesting part here, that it's AI-based. So as we said, maybe the computers can see something that is possibly coming in the future that we haven't picked up on. As of today, 1.9% that position is of their overall assets. So again, not a huge position, but an interesting idea here possibly from this ETF. So something to keep in mind, something to watch going forward, as we said, from Craft AI ETF. Here's Valeria.
Hey guys, thank you for this informative content. Dear viewers, please subscribe to this channel to see more great videos.